Why does your scanner show the P0800 engine code? What does it mean? P0800 is a diagnostic trouble code for Transfer Case Control System (MIL) request. This engine code indicates that the Transfer Case Control Module has detected an issue and is requesting the Malfunction Indicator Light (MIL) to be illuminated by the Engine Control Module (ECM). Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty Transfer Case Control Module. Wiring and connector issues. Transfer case fluid problems. Internal transfer case issues. Sensor or switch problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes-Benz S-Class or BMW 320d models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.